Stop wasting time with outdated money-making methods. 90% of the online business advice you're following is already obsolete because of these AI tools. The people who adapt first will always make the most money. In this video, I'm revealing 7 AI tools that are changing everything about making money online in 2025. While most people are still grinding away manually, these tools are letting smart entrepreneurs automate entire businesses and income streams with minimal effort. Stick around because later I'll show you how to get a completely free Shorts automation starter blueprint, plus some other powerful resources to fast-track everything. So let me ask you, are you spending hours creating content that gets 0 views? You're not alone. This is the struggle most online entrepreneurs face every single day. You put in all this work, and then nobody even sees what you made. Consider this. A recent case study found that content creators who post inconsistently see 70% lower engagement rates than their consistent counterparts. Most online entrepreneurs waste about 5 to 10 hours every week creating content that nobody watches. That's almost a full workday spent on videos or posts that get buried by the algorithm. Think about what you could do with those extra hours if you weren't stuck editing videos that barely get any views. While you're struggling with complicated editing software and trying to write the perfect script, your competitors are publishing 10 times more content using AI tools. They're flooding social media with high-quality videos while you're still figuring out how to make your first one look professional. The time investment is substantial. The average YouTuber spends about 7 hours to create a single video, planning content, writing scripts, filming, editing, creating thumbnails, and uploading. For daily posting, that's over 40 hours weekly just on content creation before you even begin running your business. This time investment directly impacts your growth potential. Accounts that post daily shorts see 300% more growth than those posting once weekly. But creating daily content when each video takes 7 hours is simply unrealistic for most people. Without consistent content, your social accounts remain invisible. Imagine standing in a crowded stadium with everyone wearing noise-canceling headphones. That's what inconsistent posting feels like. The algorithm won't push your content to new viewers if you're posting occasionally. The platforms reward consistency above almost everything else. The challenge extends beyond time constraints to skill requirements. Not everyone naturally writes engaging scripts or designs click-worthy thumbnails. These specialized skills typically take years to develop. What if you could create professional-level content in minutes instead of hours? Imagine pressing a button and getting a finished video that looks like it took days to make. This isn't a distant future. It's happening now with new AI tools. Consider this practical problem. How can you create viral YouTube shorts without showing your face? The first AI tool I'll show you solves exactly this, creating complete videos without requiring you to film anything. These tools handle everything from script writing to thumbnail design to automatic video creation. They function like a full production team working 24/7 without the salary costs. Ever wonder how creators seem to churn out a week's worth of content in minutes? This isn't some fantasy. It's exactly what the first 3 AI tools I'm about to show you can do right now. Let me show you the first tool, Story Short AI. This tool creates complete faceless YouTube shorts in under 2 minutes. Just type your topic and watch as a viral-ready short unfolds before your eyes. Story Short. AI is trusted by over 27,000 creators who use it to make viral videos without showing their face. One creator went from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in just 2 months using only Story Short generated content. The tool generates images, creates videos, adds automatic voiceovers, and makes custom captions. You can publish videos directly to TikTok and YouTube right from the platform. With your content created, Poppy AI helps perfect your voice. This tool clones any YouTuber's style to generate scripts that sound authentic. You upload voiceovers, blog articles, or YouTube videos, and the AI learns from this content to write scripts with natural speaking patterns. Poppy AI works with both ChatGPT and Claude AI models without requiring separate subscriptions. It analyzes documents in multiple languages and works across TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Reels. Once you've nailed your script with Poppy AI, APOB AI takes your production further by giving it a face. This tool lets you create custom AI influencers that look completely real. You can personalize models by changing their gender, age, country, eye color, and hairstyle. APOB AI transforms static images into dynamic content with features like video face swap and text to video. Thousands of influencers use it to create digital personas. And it offers a free membership with 80 daily credits to try all features. Generate a script with Poppy AI, create the video with StoryShort, and add an AI influencer with APOB. This combination delivers professional quality videos in minutes without technical skills. By the way, I've linked all of the tools and even more powerful free resources in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. The key advantage is speed. What normally takes a full day now takes less than 10 minutes. This explains how some channels post multiple times daily, but creating great content is only half the battle. Without a good thumbnail, even the best video won't get viewed. Now let's look at how to make your content actually get seen with the next wave of AI tools. What's the point of creating content if nobody sees it? This is where most creators fail. You could make the best video in the world, but if it doesn't get views, you're just wasting your time. The next 4 AI tools solve this exact problem. They help your content get seen and turn viewers into actual customers. Let me show you how these tools handle each part of the process. First up is Pixels AI. This tool creates thumbnails that get 2 to 3 times more clicks than standard designs. It analyzes millions of successful videos to identify precisely what drives clicks. You simply describe what you want. A man swimming underwater, looking terrified at the camera while a shark looms menacingly in the background. And Pixels creates it instantly. Its Recreate feature lets you mimic successful channel styles by pasting a YouTube link, saving hours of design work. Next is MakeReels AI. This tool publishes Instagram Reels directly to your account automatically. Imagine waking up to fresh content already posted and gaining views while you sleep. It creates Reels from text prompts, news articles, or blog posts and clones your voice so videos sound authentic. This automation allows you to focus on strategic aspects of your business while your social presence grows. The third tool is Captions AI. This creative studio makes videos specifically designed to sell products. It creates realistic AI avatars to present your offerings and translates your videos into multiple languages with perfectly synced lip movements. This expands your reach globally without creating separate videos for each language, maximizing your content sales potential. The last tool is SynthFlow AI. This works as your 24/7 sales team, handling customer calls and converting leads automatically. It understands complex inquiries and adapts conversations naturally. A healthcare provider using SynthFlow saw 2.5 times more qualified appointments and 30% fewer no-shows, translating to thousands in additional revenue with 0 extra staff. Another company experienced 24% more answered calls and 12% higher sales closure rates, dramatically improving their bottom line. These 4 tools create a complete system when combined with the first 3 mentioned earlier. You create content with StoryShort AI, Poppy AI, and APOB AI. Then you distribute and monetize it with Pixels AI, MakeReels AI, Captions AI, and SynthFlow AI. This full system handles every step from content creation to sales conversion. The real power comes from combining all 7 tools into one automated money-making system. Imagine running a one-person powerhouse that competes with entire teams. These 7 AI tools function as complete business systems, enabling you to match the output of 10 people without hiring anyone, Ross. Research confirms these tools make you 10 times more productive than your competition. The entrepreneurs adopting these tools now will build audiences and income streams that create an insurmountable lead. Early adoption provides a significant advantage in the digital landscape. If you're ready to take your short-form videos game to the next level, grab your completely free Shorts Automation Starter Blueprint right now. The link is in the description below. Don't wait. This is your chance to access more powerful resources that'll help you skyrocket your growth. Start with one tool today and give yourself the head start that the future of online business demands. Pick the solution for your biggest problem, master it, then systematically add the next one.